y buenos días. In this little lesson, I want to considerar la casa, el piso. Now, another word for casa is chalet. It is house. Una casa doesn't usually have un jardín, a garden. Y un chalet suele, lovely word, it means usually, suele tener un jardín. Okay, so that's la diferencia, but no importa. Y el piso is a flat, otherwise known as el apartamento. Of course, all of these places are our hogar. Un hogar is a home where we have our fire, where we have our familia. Un hogar. Y they are all in edificios. Edifice, of course, is a building. And another word for that is un inmueble. Okay, and there we have our estate agent word, which is inmobiliario. So there is un poco de vocabulario sobre la casa y el piso. La actividad en Pasos para hoy es en página 58. Y la actividad, you have a beautiful imagen aquí of un piso, un apartamento. And it's got 6 cuartos. Un cuarto, a quarter, is a room. Okay, so mi padre era un hombre militar. And sometimes we lived in quarters. It's rooms, un cuarto. I'm going to tell you how to remember las palabras por los 6 cuartos en página 58. First, you have the bedroom, the dormitory, el dormitorio. Make that connection. Next, you have la cocina, the kitchen, where you cook, cooking in the cocina, la cocina. The living room is the saloon, el salón. The hall is the passage, el pasillo. You see, there's always a step. The room of the bath, el cuarto de baño. Y the terrace, the balcony is the terrace, la terraza. Finally, finalmente, the dining room is where you comer, you eat, la comida, the food, and the name for dining room is el comedor, el comedor. Now, another way to remember las 6 palabras is to have a look. You've got actividad 15, which is uniting, une las palabras with the different cuartos en el apartamento. If you copy the image and label it, then I'm sure you'll never forget those 6 cuartos en el apartamento. So, mucho trabajo para hacer. If you like the video and you want more vocabulario and sentences and dialogues, please subscribe, like the video, y vuelve pronto. There's always new lessons. Hasta pronto entonces. Gracias for watching y adiós.